Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and it does me good sometimes when people are kind of follow along and try new things when I suggest things. This person said they took a 2-point line, and then they went and took the artistic media tool and the one with pointed corners, and then when you click on the line, and for some reason you got to go up or down to change it. Well, they said now they would like to make a cross out of it, or at least a star, and they can't rotate it. Well, you can rotate it. You just don't know what your rotation is because it's not marked because it's an artistic media tool graphic. Left click, right click, make sure it's all selected. Go up to object and convert, break it apart, and you'll see that line. That's your original line, and that's what's causing the problem. Now your rotation is there. And if you were going to make a cross and you wanted it welded together, I would control D as it like now, and let's rotate it 90 degrees, and then weld it. And when you weld it, you can just go over here and right click or left click, and then right click no outline, and it'll be like that. And it's pretty cool. What I like about the artistic media tool, while it's still in there, you can make it thicker or thinner. You know, if you look, I'm going to raise it up and make it quite a bit thicker. And then you don't forget to do what we want to do. Left click, right click, go up to object, break it apart, and that line appears. That's your original line. And then Control D and rotate it, let's say 45 degrees, and then Control D, Control D. Let's get rid of our line here. And then you can take those objects and weld them. And look at that. That quickly you made a really pointed star. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.